when doing sums with negative numbers, we've got to remember 3 steps. First, that the first number tells us where we start on the number line. So in the case of 5 take away 7, the first number is 5, so we start at 5. Second step, that the sign in the middle tells us if we go up or down. So in this case we have a negative, and that means we go down. And lastly, the last number tells us how many we move by. So in this case I'm going to move down by 7. So I'm starting at 5, and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer for 5 take away 7 is -2. Let's move on to the second example, -3 plus 4. So following those 3 steps. First number is -3, so that's where I start. It's a plus, so I go up, and I go up by 4. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So -3 plus 4 is 1. And lastly, on to this last example, -1 take away 3. So I start at -1, I go down, and I go down by 3. So 1, 2, 3. So my answer for the last one is -4.